Hello, what's going on, guys? Today is the day that Biforce initially launched the SALP module, and we can welcome to see that in Biforce.app, and we can enter into the Biforce.app to the V Crowdloan, and we can see here is some data in the previous slot auction of Biforce, and we can click the vote now, so we can see the live page of the contribution list. So we can contribute for Basilisk and click the contribute. So it will mention you have no enough Kusama on the Biforce power chain. So yeah, we can import some Kusama, and we can also use a small function of Biforce flexible fee. So which means you can also cross your relay chain Kusama to Biforce power chain. So let's click the cross in and input the number you want to cross. So let's say 0.12. So click confirm, and you can see a receipt about the original fee on the relay chain and the destination chain fee on power chain set. So all right, that's the success. So we can check it out on our wallet. So just a few seconds, and we can see our summer balance will appear on my wallet. Right, here we go. So I've crossed in my Kusama, and now I can go to the V Crowdloan and contribute for Basilisk. So, and you will get the same amount of VS Kusama and VS bound as same as you contributed. So confirm, and you will also receive a receipt about the details of your contribution. So click confirm and finish the contribution. All right, pending will literally takes 1 to 2 minutes, so be patient. It will minted the VS Kusama and VS bound in your wallet in a few seconds. All right, so here we got our VS Kusama and VS bound. So we can also see our balance in mine. So I can see my VS Kusama and VS bound. That's actually a certification that I really contributed for the Basilisk. And here is also a previous contributed for Biforce power chain bidding. So we have 2 VS bound certificates. All right, so that's a very easy tutorial for how to contribute for a power chain on a Biforce set. So you need to do is first cross chain your Kusama back to Biforce power chain, and then you can use that Kusama to contribute for one power chain that Biforce supported. So you can get the VS Kusama and VS bound as the derivatives, and you can use it in the future for release you liquidity. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.